Alden, third update for BYD. Ang gwapo pa ni Alden. Ang ganda ng kotse. BYD yan. Nasa post na sparkle. Sabi, cruising into new adventure. Alden Richard is all set to hit the road with his new BYD. Ang solid yan. BYD. Ang hybrid. Ang kotse. Yan o. Yung pinirmahan pa si Alden. May congrats kay Alden. Mula ng blessings sa ito. And taping ni Alden. 4 stars on the floor. And linggo-linggo yan. Grabe mga galing ng host. Hosted by Alden Richards. Sa ito. For BYD Ironman 70.3 Davao. Grabe si Alden dyan. Ang ganda ng bike ni Alden. Tornado.
Thank you so much po for this block screening. I hope to meet you there kapag nagawi po kami sa Switzerland. God bless you po and thank you so much. See you.
Don't forget to subscribe, click the notification bell for more updates. This is Richard the Atrium Vlog. Stay tuned for more videos. See ya.